to fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing. If the Instagram repost option is missing, it's usually due to app update. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and open the Google Play Store into your Android device. If you're using Android, if you're using an iOS device, go ahead and open App Store. Now once you're on the Play Store, head over into the search tab and then use the search bar to search for Instagram. So go ahead and look for Instagram, and then under results, if you find an update button at the right side of Instagram, go ahead and click on that update button to update the application. So many users regain the repost button after updating. If that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to long press the app and then click on this eye icon at the top left of the app, and that will take you to your app settings for this specific app. Now, once you're on the app settings, go ahead and click on this clear data button and then select clear cache or clear data. Reopen Instagram and log back in. And the last thing that you can do is to go ahead and check your regional availability. Instagram often task features in limited regions, and as of December 2025, many users worldwide reported the repost button disappearing suddenly. If it's a server side rollout, you may need to wait until Instagram restores it. And that is how you can basically fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing.